Hi, in this demo we are going to see how we can deploy a containerized application using Amazon Container Service or ECS. Once you log into your AWS account, click on EC2 Container Service. We are going to use the sample example given on the ECS website to deploy the containers. So click on Get Started. Here we can define task definition name, container name, an image from which you want to create the containers, maximum memory a container can use, port mappings. In advanced option we can define more advanced configuration like CPU units, host name, DNS servers, storage, security, and so on. Let's click on next step. We can define a service name here. We can choose the desired number of tasks here, or we can change it at the runtime as well. We can define a load balancer for our service here. So if we have more than one task, our service would be load balanced. We can change some ELB specific settings if required and click on next step. Here we can select the cluster name, the EC2 instance type, number of instances of EC2, a key pair by which we can log into the EC2 instance. We can choose the security groups, identity and access management, and then click on review and launch. We can do a final review of our setup. Now scroll down and click on launch instance and run service. This would start doing ECS and EC2 deployment, and after some time our deployment would be done. We can scroll up and click on view service. Our service is now in active state and running on default cluster. It is serving the task definition which we have given. You can look at the deployments, different matrices like CPU and memory utilization. Let's go to load balancer. And then open the load balancer URL on the browser. And we are now serving a web page from the container running on ECS. So in this demo we have seen how we can deploy a sample containerized application on ECS.